How you doing? This is Sean McVeigh with Sean's Outdoor Adventures, coming to you with another hunting strategies video. This is another one in the scouting portion of the series, particularly on tree stand placement. What I have here is a major deer trail right here. However, a lot of deer do not take major trails like this while they're browsing and feeding. So, late morning, early evening hunts, this is not a primary food source area. The deer could actually be browsing. This major beat trail could be something they just travel on in certain times of the year when they're just trying to get from a food source to a bedding area. When it's outside of that particular time of the day, they could just be milling around. So I want to incorporate this trail in my hunting setup here, but I don't want to depend exclusively on it. What I have here is some white oak trees, such as right there. You can tell by the bark and the leaves. A white oak is going to have a rounded edge to the leaf. A red oak will be pointed. Deer prefer the white oak. What I'm using here in this situation is there is a big blown down tree right there. It is pretty big, which is actually going to keep the deer to this side of the tree. From where I'm standing to that tree is 25 yards. So if I look back over here, I have a tree I could get in for a setup, which will incorporate both this trail and still give me a shot up to any deer milling around under the oak tree or just traveling on this side of the blowdown. When I look at this tree here, I don't want to be in this section of the tree because there's no cover. Look right here. There is a patch of leaves and branches behind the tree, which will break up my silhouette. If a deer was to look over, I'll have the tree at my back, so I'll kind of blend in, and anything sticking off like the stand, it will help be blended in with the leaves right in the background. So when you're looking for a hang-on setup, look for some cover. You don't want to be exposed like down here. You want to be up here. You want to have clear shooting to your shot spot. In this situation, I'm incorporating this major trail and I'm utilizing that big blowdown to keep the deer closer to me. Think about those things when you're setting up for your big buck. Good luck out there and God bless.